Do you also feel excited when you see such tiles or such interiors? Because I do. Do you know that these kind of interiors or these kind of tiles were invented in 19th century in Catalonia, Spain? Yeah, so watch this video till the end to know that what are the designs that we have created by keeping such kind of designs in the mind, and what is the history behind such tiles. So we have created a cube and retro series inspired from the traditional cement tiles and Moroccan tiles. So these kind of tiles were mostly seen in 19th century, and it was invented in 19th century 1850 by a company called GARRET RIVET, and these were mostly seen in the southern France and in areas such as palaces and grand mansions. And these tiles, how these tiles were made, it is these cement tiles like these tiles which is available in the subway collection, and these tiles were the oldest method of cement tiles, were the traditional technique and the oldest technique of making tiles. How they used to make such tiles, they used to pour a mixture of powdered marble and pigments and into the metal mold, and the designs were created by hand painting into each section of the metal mold that used to be there, and then they used to bake it to make the design, to set the design. So this is how they used to make cement tile. Now we have taken inspiration and we have made a cube series which is inspired from the cement tile that is there. Now this is our series which is giving the more of a traditional vibe or modern farmhouse interior vibes. In early 20th century, the cement tile gained popularity in America, as in the countries such as Cuba, Mexico, Brazil, and it became a prominent architectural style in the various, and they used to feature this kind of tiles in the lot of architectural monuments. And our factory design includes the geometric patterns, the floral patterns, and the motifs that and the mosaic tile pattern that cement tile used to have in there. And we have given this design. We have given this black and white design name as Cube series behind the name called Cuba, and it is designed specifically for those who love black and white colors or black and white interiors, or maybe the modern farmhouse type interiors in their house. And it is not only just the matte finish, or it is not only just the normal tile or normal printed tile. It is having a finish of matte and the luster finish, which actually enhances the style of the design, and it gives more of a beautiful look. It shines on a little part. It doesn't give a glossy look, but it shines on a little part or little area just to highlight the designs that we have printed. Now let us move towards our classic series, that is 8x8 retro series, and which is inspired from the Moroccan tiles. Now Moroccan tiles are also known as Zellige tiles, and these are the tiles that have vibrant colors and have unique tile patterns, that is geometric patterns and floral motifs that we have. So these tiles were inspired by the Moroccan tiles, and you can see the colors here, and the patterns are mostly the more of a Moroccan or Moorish patterns. So the history of Moroccan tiles takes us back to the 10th century in Almoravid Dynasty. Now the designs were mostly influenced by the Islamic decorative techniques and patterns. So the Moroccan artists and artisans made such designs and patterns in a unique tiling way, wherein they used to call it a Zellige design or Zellige pattern. And now, what is Zellige pattern? Zellige patterns or the Zellige tiles are actually a small individual cutout of geometric tiles which are handmade of terracotta, and they were glazed and fired and put together to make one tile and to make a very beautiful intricate patterns. So originally these tiles were usually decorated in the mosque and palaces and government offices. But now it is not only limited to mosque or governmental buildings, but people have started adapting such tiles in their interior as well. Such tiles were considered as a symbolic meaning of wealth and prestige. People used to have it in their interiors, in their home, to have such beautiful tiles. Over the period of time, the Moroccan tiles have become integral part of Morocco and became an identity of Islamic and Moorish and Andalusian design elements it had. So there are a lot of famous monuments that were having such tiles or cement tiles, and the Moroccan tiles such as Park Güell in Spain, then Casa Batlló in Spain, then we have Pena National Palace in Portugal. Then we have St. Louis Cathedral in USA, and Hassan II Mosque in Morocco. These are the famous monuments that had used the cement tiles and Moroccan designs in their interior. So these are very much popular spot for visiting the. So these are the very much popular spots for visiting for any public when they visit Morocco or USA or Portugal or Spain. Today, Moroccan tiles and cement tiles have gained a lot of popularity because of its patterns and the colors and the vibrancy of the colors they have used. So we have made a whole series called Retro series, and we have Cube series that we have with us. So if you are having if you are interested in such design, do check out our website for the catalog and the full collection that we have, or do write us in the comment section. We'll get back to you. And if you really like this video, do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button. And if you want to know more such videos, then ring the bell button. Thank you.